Hi everyone, I'm here with a real quick video to just talk a little bit about abundance and receiving. And this is not usually the thing that I talk about, but it has been coming up with a lot of clients lately that they are finding themselves in a place where they're being confronted with old belief systems, where they are being confronted with old stories that are not necessarily theirs, that are their ancestors, that they are just feeling into, that are collectively happening because there is also a lot of stuff happening financially in the world. So I just came out of a Violet Flame session with a client that booked 3 sessions in a row. And what we saw is that there was a pattern in how we can clear these old programs. So in the first session, it was all about, if you want to compare it to the metaphor of a house that's full of old crap. So in the first session, what we did is that we worked with Saint Germain and Archangel Michael specifically to cut cords with these old programs, with these belief systems that were coming from her ancestors, that were coming from past lives, that were coming from just thought clouds in the collective that she started identifying with. And it's like we took all the old furniture out of this metaphorical house. We took all the old furniture out, all the beat down furniture, and that's what happened. We cleared the area, or like that's basically her entire energetic system is this house with the old crap. We cleared all the old stuff out of there. What happened today, because I'm never really prepared, I don't write scripts in advance. I channel the healing suggestions from the angels as I am in the session with people, and they came through today with what was basically a big spring cleaning. If we take a look again at this metaphorical house that we cleared all the crap out of last time 2 weeks ago, today we did the whole big spring cleaning, which we did with Saint Germain, Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Samuel. And usually there are not that many angels present in these sessions, but today it was just like Angel Festival, and I could feel the energy from her, and it felt like a whole cleaning out of the residual energy that was left from last time's cutting cords with the old programs, washing it out. The big spring cleaning, basically, is what happened. And she really felt it like that too. She said it felt like a surge of healing energy, just cleaning up, refreshing all like the pathways in the energy body. And what I felt is that next time in her last and third session, it's going to be all about redecorating. We're going to be working with Archangel Samuel and basically bringing in the new home decor stuff, and remodeling this house that is her energetic body. And this is not like necessarily tied to wealth consciousness, to receiving. It can be tied to any block that you have, any block that you're struggling with, that you don't even know where it's coming from. Because in the session, we also go and meet the higher self after we do the whole clean up, basically. And we ask the higher self for more information. We ask, what is it that we are not seeing that you can see where this is coming from? Or sometimes I will feel it, and it's by having the information that you know exactly which chords to cut, that you know what programs to overwrite, and that you know what to put in the place of that, what to replace that with. And you don't always have to do a bunch of mind work, mental work, because the subconscious mind can take over a lot of stuff for you. The subconscious mind can overwrite old programmings for you, because you get a recording of each session. So you get the initial energetic work, and then you are meant to listen to this recording regularly, consistently, so that you can keep on letting the subconscious mind overwrite old programmings and installing new ones with the help of the violet flame and Saint Germain. So if this is something that you are interested in, today, October 11th, is the last day that you can book one of these sessions at 37% off for my birthday. As of tomorrow, they will go back up. So you can book it now for any time in the future through my calendar app. So if you're interested, quickly go and check out my website. And if you have any more questions about this work with the violet flame, anything you would like to learn about maybe the angels, angel healing, how I work with angel healing, how I work with the ascended masters and the violet flame, don't hesitate to either take a look at the website or to just put something in the comments or send me a message. So I wish everybody a great rest of their day, and we will talk again soon. Bye bye.